Hey there, it's Miss Fisher again. I wanted to talk to you today about using your Google Read and Write extension on your Chromebook for working through some of your Schoology assignments. For example, if you're working on the informal letter assignment during week 2, you're going to click on it to open it up. And down here it says there's a Google Doc that you can edit. It's called Informal Letter. I'm going to click on this link and it opens up in your Google Drive. If I go up here to the upper right-hand corner of my screen and click on the purple icon that's for Google Read and Write, there will be a tab that opens up at the top of my screen. Still waiting for that tab. Here it comes. You're going to put your cursor right up here, and it's going to read this screen or the directions on the screen to you when you click on the play button.
Delete this and enter today's date here. Write the name of.
You can push the square, which is the stop button, after you have read a portion of it. So let's say it wanted me to delete this. I'm going to highlight all of this yellow text, and I'm going to put in the date like it told me to. Today is March 21st, 2020. And I'm going to hit my tab key on my keyboard to move this over to the right. Or I could hit the button up here that says Write Justify. And I've noticed it's still highlighted in yellow, so I'm going to highlight all this, go up here to my highlighting tool, and I'm going to say None. Then I'm going to continue with my directions.
Write the name of the person you're writing to here. Delete.
So the person that the name I'm writing to here goes here. So I'm going to say, Dear Students. And I'm going to delete this highlighted color by clicking up here and say None. And then I can continue having Google Read and Write read the directions to me by putting my cursor where I need it to be and clicking the play button.
Delete this text and write your own.
So when I want to go ahead and write my informal letter, I can highlight all of this text and delete it. And then I can begin writing my informal letter to you students. The Google Read and Write tool, which is this purple icon up here on the right, is going to help you read any Google documents in your drive, which are documents with this blue letter icon. Please go ahead and use this anytime you're struggling with reading one of these Google documents independently on your own.